Okay, so we did the removal on Saturday. Today is now Monday, and we are gonna get this mother in. All right, so stay tuned. Gotta take the chain off that I used to get the jack under. Gotta chain it up to get it on the jack. Can't make a video in peace. Boy, I got that torque converter lined up.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you.
Woo! Starter is in. I don't know why I put the starter in from the bottom, but when I take it out from the top. I don't know. I'm just weird.
I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it. All the searching, pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud, you don't speak quietly. in work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know the time can...
Finally making good time on this tranny. Got the new one in. Y'all probably saw a short where they brought me the wrong transmission. It was a used one. How they did that, I don't know. But anyways, let's continue, get the subframe up. And let's get this thing done because I still got to do brakes and an alignment, right?
Get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes
Now this right here, probably one of my favorite tools. Okay. Before this, I'll show y'all. It was this one. Y'all see the difference? How much shorter? More compact. I didn't know about this one. I found out about this. I didn't know about this one because I had this one, but then this one dropped it in a bucket of coolant / water and dried it out and it stopped working. So I had to buy this one and I was like, ooh, and it's more powerful. But I missed this one. I missed this one.
Everybody just do your thing.
Said I'm sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with the dream. Sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with. I said I'm sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with the dream.
This guy got me a fucking monster. See, guys, it's not me, it's them. They buy me the monsters. So I'm not rude. I'm gonna drink up. Oh, that was slobbery. Woo.
Careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with the dream. Sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with. I said I'm sipping on that lean.
Yeah, y'all see chains, best friends.
Sipping on that lean, careful with the dream.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no.
Alright, y'all, the new transmission is in there. It is getting leveled. I filled it up, so like I said, getting it leveled. Now there's some stuff behind the scenes that I got to do. Program it, relearn different gears, and then I'm going to do brakes. But as far as this video is concerned, we are done. This transmission is complete as far as the mechanical side. Alright?
So, I still go.